You got the job, you got the salary, you felt like you made it, and then the first paycheck hit and you thought, wait, where did half of it go? Well, nobody teaches you this part. Not your parents, not your school, not your employer. You're actually just supposed to figure it out. So here it is. The number they gave you in the offer letter is not the number that lands in your account. After tax, national insurance, pension contributions, and anything else your employer deducts, most people take home somewhere between 60 and 70% of what they were told they'd earn. And nobody prepares you for that gap. So what happens? You build your life around the number on the offer letter, you sign a lease, you make plans, you spend like the full salary already exists. And then reality arrives every month and it's smaller than you expected and you can never quite figure out where it goes. Your salary is not one number, it's three. What you earn, what you take home, and what you actually keep after your life costs are covered. Most people only ever think about the first one. The people who build real financial stability think about the third one. That gap between take home and what you keep, that's the only number that actually changes your life. Know your real number. Before you spend anything, calculate your actual monthly take-home, not the annual salary divided by 12, the real number after every deduction. That is your budget, not the other one. Never the other one again. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary lands, before rent, before food, before anything, move a fixed amount into a separate account, not what's left at the end of the month, the first thing that leaves. Because what's left at the end of the month is always nothing, every month, until you change the order. The difference isn't just mathematical, it's psychological. When the money leaves your account the moment it arrives, before you ever see it sitting there, before it feels available, you never miss it. You just adjust your life to what remains, and you always do. Every time. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. That one change in order is the entire lesson. Your first real salary feels like a lot, so you upgrade. Nicer flat, better clothes, more dinners out. Each upgrade feels small individually. Together, they quietly eat everything you earn, and then you get a pay rise and upgrade again, and again, you have nothing left. This is lifestyle creep. It happens to almost everyone. The fix is simple. When your income goes up, let your savings go up first, before your lifestyle does. Your pension is not optional. I know, you're 22. Retirement feels like someone else's problem. But the money you put in at 22 is worth 4 times more than the money you put in at 40. That's not motivation. That's just compound interest being mathematical about it. Contribute the maximum your employer will match. That is free money. Never leave free money on the table. Build the boring fund. Before you invest, before you think about anything else, build 3 months of living expenses in a savings account you don't touch. Not for holidays, not for a new phone. For the moment your boiler breaks, your car dies, or you lose your job. That fund is what stops 1 bad month from becoming 6 bad months. It's the most unsexy financial move you'll ever make and the most important. Nobody sits you down and explains any of this. And because nobody explains it, most people spend their entire 20s earning real money and somehow always feeling broke. You don't have to be one of them. Know your real number. Pay yourself first. Don't let your lifestyle grow faster than your savings. Take the pension match. Build the boring fund. That's it. 5 things. Start with 1. If you are into the unspoken games of professional life, without the fluff, subscribe.